Hello there, everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, we are today exploring, not exploring, trying a little bit of snowshoeing, and the trail behind me is our it's like roughly about 4 kilometers. So it would be a good workout, but it is a nice day.
It's warm and it's sunny, so we're out doing some hiking outside. So we got our snowshoe on and we're about to go on this trail.
Yes, we are about to go on this trail. So just a little bit of surrounding. Look at how beautiful. It's nice, isn't it? How you feeling it so far, Elizabeth?
It's good. It's good. I like it. The weather is nice.
See,
There's sun. It's not too warm, not too cold. So
yeah, it's relaxing, very relaxing. So basically, yeah, it's just to work with the snowshoeing. You have that stuff on your feet, but it's very relaxing, very peaceful. Nobody's there. People are there obviously, but nobody bothering each other. Everybody's on their own, minding their own business. But it is so relaxing, so peaceful. You walk and walk, walk, walk. But one thing I would suggest, if you are not physically fit, uh, if you are not physically fit, don't come. First things, just try to be a little bit of practice of walking, because this is a heavy stuff on your feet. It might hurt your feet, and on top of that, it's a good workout. If you want to get some workout done, you can do the workout within an hour. If you walk, you can burn, I think, 500 calorie. So, and also bring water. This is what I made a mistake. I haven't brought in water with me. So obviously, 100% bring with you. All right. So we're gonna hang around a little bit more, and then let's see. There we go. All right, that would be the end of this video. So it took us roughly about an hour and a half, 2.5 to 3 kilometer of the trail to finish it off. We're quite exhausted. Made a mistake not bringing the water, right?
But we have water in the car and our car is quite close. So
Yeah.
that is the end of today's walk.
So that's going to be the end of this video. And then again, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel.
And
Do
give a thumbs up.
give a thumbs up as usual if you like this video. And until next video, see you. Tata, bye bye.